Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was bopping. For no one doing this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
What's up, guys? Hey, what's up, what's up? So this is part 2 of the video. And I have already got a clear coat. You can see it looks way better when the sun hits it. What you guys think? Time to put it back. Time to put this lowrider bike back together. Okay, so what I'm gonna be adding on is a light, some pegs, mini pegs, the skull, a new kickstand. What else? For right now, that's it. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be adding on. Yeah, so for right now, that's what we're gonna, a light, the skull, some new mini pegs, and a new kickstand for right now. Alright guys, so I took off the fork just to clean it a little bit. I like to take my stuff out and clean it, take my time on it and clean it. I'm gonna do the same thing with the wheels. You don't have to take my time cleaning it. And plus, this was wrong on the wrong side. If you ever put your forks on, you don't want this side to show, you know. So you're gonna have to go on this side, right? It won't show it. And this right here is for a cap that goes on that it won't. Where is it? I think I got one here. So one here. I got one here somewhere. You all have something like this. This shit right here comes in handy. When you have something like this, it comes in handy. So this part right here, you see this? It'll go in there. Why it's not going in? It's not clamping in. Well, it's not the right size. But usually one of this goes in here for the rim. So what I do, guys, to clean this stuff, so I won't get a scratch on it, I use this right here. Steel wool, 4 zeros, fine. Right here, you use this, try to wear a glove, and try to wear a face mask, or do it outside. But try not to do it in closed doors. And put a little bit of WD-40 in the steel wool. You know, because when you rub this on anything, particles is going to start flying around. And you don't want that, you know. If there's a fire around, it's a fire hazard. But just put some WD-40 in one of the sponges and you should be good. So, if y'all can see how all this looks, all that's gonna come on what I'm about to do. Alright, so before I install everything, I like to like I said, I like to grab this the steel wool and just pass it on my body. I see a little bit of rust areas around, nothing too crazy. Just wipe it down, shine it up real nice. I already got all this part right here. I'll just grab a rag, just wipe it down. So I got this nice and cleaned up. Y'all can see it's nice and clean. So now we're gonna put it on. Before I put that on, I'm gonna clean this part right here real quick. I'm gonna want to put the spring on it. That's cool. So now that that's on, I'm gonna start putting the rim in. But before I do that, I'm gonna clean it real quick. All right. Same process. There we go. So now time to put this on. So I got one of the fenders. Just gonna be putting this on. We're gonna clean it real quick. Nice little polish. Same thing with this ones. And like I said, be careful with using this, guys, because this is a fire hazard. Don't use this on fire. Like I said, like little particles come out while you're cleaning this, and it flies in the air. And once it's hit like a flame or something, it's gonna be bad. Boom, that's how you want it. So now we're gonna put it in the front. So right now I gotta be careful how I put it on because I don't want to scratch the paint. So at least I want it probably like that. That's how I'm gonna go. Now just take this off. Let's go in. We're gonna go in there. But first of all, hold up. I don't want to scratch this up. There's there. Gotta get my mini pegs ready. I do not want to scratch this, so I gotta be really, really careful. Alright, so I got it on while scratching it. Now I got the pegs. So I got those going on right now. I'm gonna leave like that a little loose for right now. So I see what I want this to play out. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna leave it like that. Now I gotta do the back. Alright, so I had mounted the this part right here, the brace. Now we're gonna put it on here. I should have took this off. Put it in here carefully. Okay, that should be nice and snugged. Alright, so I have a little trouble of doing this, but I think I got a way to do it. I'm gonna show you right now. So if you see this right here, right? If I had the brass, try to put it to the rim, this will get in the way, right? And yeah, hold up. So why not? Matter of fact, what I gotta do, I gotta take this off. I'll just leave that there. Take those off. Now I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. I was trying to confuse myself earlier. So what I'm gonna do is be taking this off right here. Take this off. Take the other one off. Alright, boom, let that chill there, right? So this is gonna go here. This and this goes together. I got the chain on. Okay. Put all this together. That goes there, that goes there. Okay, take that out, take this out. That goes in there. Same thing with that. That goes in there. Boom, boom. Goes up here. Goes down into here. This is gonna come out. Go right in here. Alright, so I'm gonna go right there. So this is gonna come. See, this is. See, now this won't go all the way. This won't go all the way because the brace is blocking it. But nah, I think it's tripping right now. I'm tripping. So all I gotta do is make this shit go back. Well, this is not working on my plate right now. Look how wet. Bro, this shit, I'm telling you. Hold up. Cause this shit wanna move on me. What the fuck fell now? I don't wanna know. Yeah. Really? Oh my. Oh, this one like stupid. So I took it apart. And now what I was saying is, I took the brass out and just, I'm gonna put in the inside. Right now, it's not, they don't want to give me any plate at all right now. I can see that I'm struggling a little bit, but open that up real quick. Maybe if I put so I gotta put so what I gotta do, this is what I was trying to explain. So I got this on, right? But for me to connect my sissy bar, it's not gonna really let me. Alright? Because I got this here. Even if I have this here and try to connect it to that hole. You see? You see the plate right there? You see how far? So what I got to do, the brace, I got to put it in the inside. You know. I got to take all this out again and put it on the inside. See, messing with lowrider bikes could be easy sometimes. Alright guys, so I got it in. I couldn't record the process because my phone died and I didn't know my phone died. But we got it in. All I gotta do is tighten it now. I got the sissy bar on already. But it's covering one of the this part right here. But it's okay. You know, so that's what we got going on right now. What you think? It's not done yet. But we're gonna tighten it right now. We're gonna tighten everything up. And I'll see you after the video. We're gonna add more things up, but for right now I'm gonna tighten the bolts up. Alright, so I got the head right here on the bike. Now to screw this up. Boom, we chilling. So the next thing I want to put is the light bulb. So I might put the light bulb here. What you guys think? You think it's too much? Would have been fire if I would have put the light right there. Alright. Maybe I could go like that. Boom. Gonna be too much for the front. We'll see. Let's get it. I gotta put a battery in here first. I got batteries. Alright, so I just added in some batteries for the light. Oh, that's what I got. What you think? That's what we got right now. So we're gonna put it here and see what's up. See how it's gonna look. I might just even put it like this. I'm not sure yet though. But we'll see. We'll see how we're gonna put it on. See how this go out. This one is with this one right here. I'm gonna put it out. Shit, where is it at? Yeah, I gotta put a washer on it. Found myself a washer. This is the tough part right here. I'm holding on to myself the tank. Right there. Got that going on. Are you guys ready? So this is what I got going on right now. What do you think about that light? You think it's too extra? That light right there? Or it's cool the way it is? You guys let me know what's up. I still gotta add some mirrors. But this is how it's gonna go. What you guys think? I really don't got much space here because I still have a lot of things I'm working on right now. So I just got a little bit of space to work on this bike right here. Let me know what you guys think. It's not done yet. I still gotta add the mirrors. I'm gonna add that on right now, and I'm gonna show you all the different parts I added to it. Alright guys, so we got the bike done. It's not all the way done. I always say lowrider bikes are never done. There's always something to add on. But this is what we got right now. Let's go ahead with the bandana. I was gonna put the Mexican hat, the sombrero on it, but I don't know. Pero así como está la bicicleta, bien linda. Me dejas saber qué tú crees. We got the hat right there. Alright. Let's check out the frame, bajitas. We got that chilling. Also right there. So, lo que yo pone nuevo era a kickstand. Esta pieza aquí. Pinté esto. What I added on was the kickstand, the pegs, and repainted the frame. I mean the fender, as well as the front, as y'all can see. The skull head and some mirrors. That's what I added on. Like I said, man, lowrider bikes are art. Lo que yo digo que bicicleta lowrider is arte. I'm not putting my flavor on it. What you guys think? You think the bandana or the hat? The bandana or the hat? I'm gonna show you the two difference. All right, so this is how you see the bandana, right? Boom, chilling. Right, take that out real quick. Or the hat. Let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. Como yo digo que la bicicleta lowrider nunca se acaba porque siempre hay algo que ponerlo. Lo que yo quiero poner chain guard, la cubre cadena. Yo me necesito uno y yo le voy a pintar lo mismo que los fenders. The next thing I need is the chain guard, and I'm gonna be painting the same color as the fenders. ¿Qué color tú crees? What hat you think is better, the hat or the bandana? You let me know, guys. So what y'all think about the lowrider bike on Dia de los Muertos lowrider bike? It's not done yet. I still gotta add a couple more things to it. You'll see little by little. So y'all can see the fenders. I like it. Stay tuned to my next video, guys. This is part 2. Este video parte 2 que se ha acabado, pero esta bicicleta todavía no está acabado. This is part 2 is done, but there's gonna be another part 3. I'm gonna add stuff little by little. Follow me on my TikTok for a couple videos that I'm gonna be doing to this right here. My TikTok is TranquiKid07, same as my YouTube channel, TranquiKid07. So that's what we got going on right here, guys. I appreciate y'all for the love. I appreciate y'all for everything. All the shares, all the comments, the views. I appreciate y'all so much, guys. To my next video, guys. God bless y'all. Keep your head up. Keep living. Keep riding. It's keep building, keep living, and keep riding, guys. God bless y'all and take care.